Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 出现. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读出吃乌吃乌出现安烟吸烟鲜 and first time 出现 Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。First we write 出竖着竖着竖出 and 线横竖提竖横折撇竖弯钩出现means come out or appear. Now look at Teacher Sunny's hand. Have something in my hand? No, nothing. Now close your eyes. Let's count down. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. What in my hand? A blue monster. So, a monster 出现了。A monster 出现了。Okay, that's all about 出现. Do you got it? If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.